And there is at least one country where massive government stimulus is actually filtering through. That country is China. Ellen Breitman tells us why car sales tell the story. Ellen.
Hey there, Betty. That's right. The massive amount indeed. China pumping $585 billion into its economy. So today, the China Association of Auto Manufacturers saying car sales in China are surging, up 48% in June, giving it the biggest monthly increase since February 2006. So this is going to continue the trend of China bumping off the U.S. becoming the largest auto market in the world. So certainly moving in the opposite direction in terms of what we're seeing domestically, where car sales in the U.S. are down 35% for the first half of the year. So many people are and continue to look to China as one of the countries that really can save them. GM, to be sure, in fact, now has the go-ahead from a judge to come out of bankruptcy sometime afternoon today. We'll talk about that in a moment's time. Also, Alcoa. Just yesterday, the CEO saying he expects government economic stimulus in China and the U.S. to boost demand for metal enough, Betty, to help it start generating cash once again.
And, Ellen, there are signs from China that expect that demand that there will be some demand.
Right, and in fact, continuing. And let's use cars there as an example, because that car association I just mentioned, giving those numbers today, it's boosting its forecast for full-year vehicle sales, now saying they could top 11 million, compared to the 10.2 million it had been looking for. Also, just want to point out, I was taking a look at the latest survey we did of economists in terms of how fast China could grow, and the forecasts there are for 7.5% this year, but have to point out you've been at the slowest pace there, Betty, in almost a decade, but growth nonetheless. Back over to you.
Okay, good to know all of that, Ellen. Thank you. Ellen Breitman in the newsroom. And